And they used every part about the hog, except for the squeal? What part is the squeal? Shh, this is a library. Sorry, I gotta go.
Making your own sausage means you can pick out exactly what you put in it. Start with a fatty cut of pork, like shoulder, which will have just enough fat to make a good sausage. Now if it's too lean, it'll come out dry. You need to cut the meat down to 1/2-inch cubes for easy grinding, and I did that by cutting these country-style ribs into fourths and then slicing them down to be just the right size. This works a lot better if the meat is cold, so work quickly. Once the meat is cut up, put it in the freezer for 30 minutes to firm up. While we're waiting, I'm going to toast the coriander and red pepper flakes in the oven at 250 for 5 minutes. Toss them in the mortar and pestle with the black pepper and give them a good grind. I froze the grinder parts beforehand to keep everything cold so the fat doesn't gum up the machine. Then I grind a little bit at a time. You could buy ground pork and skip this step, but I recommend you buy it from a place that grinds it fresh in-house so you can get the best sausage. To your ground pork, add fresh sage and rosemary, red pepper flakes, coriander, and a little salt and pepper. Some nutmeg is nice. Then top it off with maple syrup or brown sugar. Give it a mix until everything is thoroughly combined. Finally, cover it and throw it in the fridge overnight so it's ready for breakfast, and that's it. It makes really great sausage for biscuits and gravy, but you all came here to see the sandwich, and it shouldn't surprise you that we're cooking it on the grill. Form the sausage into patties and cook over direct heat to get your morning started right. Now for the eggs. Lassie's Food and Barbecue challenged me to practice making omelets. I'll pin his comment below so you can check out his channel because he has a pretty good variety of recipes. So he said you gotta add the butter, mix it around, and then add the eggs. Oh, don't forget to swish it around real fast. It's too hot. And just like that, I made scrambled eggs. Now people told me I was crazy for grinding my cast iron smooth, but look how non-stick that pan is. Next, toast your English muffin. These burn quick, so watch them close. The only thing left to do is to put them all together. Now that is a sandwich.
So you're probably not going to save any money if you make your own sausage, but you will be able to control the quality of the meat and the ingredients that you put in it. Plus you can experiment and put a little bit more of this or that and find out the exact combination that you like best. And that's really what it's all about. So if you want to see more videos about grilling and smoking, hit subscribe, because of course there's more videos to come.